Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Before we begin, hear this clearly. You are not here to compete. You are here to be chosen. There is something about your energy, your presence, your essence that cannot be replaced. And today, you are activating that frequency so powerfully that the right person cannot overlook you, cannot ignore you, it cannot choose anyone else over you. Stay with me, because by the end of this meditation, you will feel different, because you will be different. And when your energy shifts, everything shifts. Now close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Relax your forehead. And with every breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, calmer, more centered. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding your body. This light is your energy, your magnetism, your power. And with every inhale, this light grows stronger. Now silently or softly repeat after me. I am naturally chosen. I am unforgettable. I am the energy that stands out effortlessly. They feel drawn to me without knowing why. They think about me even when they try not to. My presence lingers in their mind and heart. I don't chase, I attract. I don't compete, I embody. I am the one they compare everyone else to, and no one matches me. They feel safe with me. They feel excited by me. They feel deeply connected to me. Choosing me feels natural to them. Choosing me feels right to them. Choosing me feels inevitable. I am worthy of being prioritized. I am worthy of being deeply desired. I am worthy of being chosen fully and completely. Now let those words settle into your subconscious. Let them become your truth. Now imagine them standing in front of you, looking at you with clarity, certainty, and desire. Feel their attention focused only on you. Out of everyone, they choose you. Not because you forced it, not because you convinced them, but because your energy made the decision for them. Feel that shift in your chest, that warmth, that confidence, that calm knowing. Of course they choose me. Let that feeling expand. You are no longer waiting. You are no longer wondering. You just know. And when you know, the world reflects it back to you. Now stay in this feeling and let it anchor into your body. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any doubt, any fear, any need to control the outcome. What is meant for you is already aligning. You are already becoming the version of yourself that naturally is chosen, effortlessly, desired, and deeply valued. Now gently bring your awareness back to your body, back to your breath. Now when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. If you felt this shift, don't ignore it. Type this in the comments to claim the energy. I am always the one they choose. Repeat it, own it, become it. And you can go deeper by visiting joybyjanell.com to manifest them faster and fully step into your chosen energy.